Okay, we are at the booth of Leascend, and it's a heterojunction manufacturer. So we would like to understand what are your capacities and what is the most important product you are promoting here. So maybe first start with the company. So what are your capacities? How integrated you are?
Okay, so actually for Leascend Photovoltaic company, we have 20 gigawatt in total, include the solar cells and solar module, and all of them are the HJT technologies. And for our solar module, for the zero bus bar module, we have 740 highest output, and for the SMBB, we got 730 highest output. And we have three mainly advantages. The one is we have we can reach 90% bifacial rate, which is much more higher than the other technologies. And we also have the extremely low temperature coefficient, which means when the temperature goes higher, our output will be much more stable than the other technology. Yeah, and we also have some other advantages like the low LID and low PID, and yeah, that's it.
And regarding your capacities, you said that 20 gigawatt. So is it 20 gigawatt cell, 20 gigawatt module?
It's include solar cells and solar module in total is 20 gigawatt.
Okay.
Yes.
And how much of that is currently running? So is it completely ready for the production?
Yes, it is ready. Yes.
And when are your products? Just now you mentioned one is busbar LAS and then also SMBB. Are these products available commercially?
Yeah, sure, for sure. We are ready to sell, and it's already in manufacturing right now in our plant. Yeah.
Okay. What are the efficiencies of these products?
You mean the solar module or the solar cells? For the module?
Yeah.
For the efficiency, we have 23.5%. Yes.
And what are your cell efficiencies right now?
Our cell efficiency right now is 25.5%. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.